it's really sad how some movies don't age well. Like, I freaking love DDLJ, okay? I love it. I love it. But now, I mean, I want to smack that Rahul, yaar.
Raj.
Raj, right. It's Rahul or it's Raj, right? It's either one of the two. Like, he's either Rahul or he's Raj. So, like, yeah, Raj, I want to smack him. Someone puts his head in my lap and I'm in a train. I'll pour a hot beverage on his face.
Don't say that. Why would you say that? What's wrong with you?
Hey, hi everyone. Thanks for coming on another quiz of all things movies. Today we are talking about 90s movies. So we are all 90s kids. Well, some of us are 90s kids. Grew up in the 90s, watching a lot of Bollywood movies. So I thought, why not have one dedicated session on this? So very quickly, I am Priya, and this is my show. We've got Siddharth from Bangalore, Ankita from Delhi, Dia from Melbourne, and Malvika from Pune joining us. So thanks everyone for coming, and we'll quickly start the quiz. So, question number 1. Which movie is this dialogue from? मथुरा दास, इससे पहले कि मैं तुझे गद्दार करार दे के गोली मार दूं, भाग जा यहाँ से.
Mathura Das.
Oh, I've used this reference so many times. Every time I used to get half day in office, I used to run around my, desk screaming, I'm Mathura Das from this movie. Oh, I'm so blank. Sure.
Yeah, Das. Can we get some hints?
Any short answers?
No. Wait, I have.
Siddharth is so excited because he knows this one. He's like, जल्दी answer share कर देता है before.
So understand you intuitively कि मतलब तुम्हारे बोलते ही आंसर आ गया. In the past sequence, I had to think a lot.
चलो.
I have border.
I wrote Devdas.
Malvika, what did you write?
I wrote blank.
It is Border. 1997. It's an iconic dialogue by our very own Sunny Deol. You should YouTube this dialogue. It is too funny. It's that one where the guy from his platoon is going on a chutti. His chutti's been sanctioned and he's going about telling everyone कि मुझे छुट्टी मिल गई. And then he gets a scolding
From Sunny Deol.
Yeah, Sunny Deol.
Oh.
Well done, Ankita and Siddharth. You all get 1 point each. I'm going to watch Border this weekend. Every time we do the quiz, I go and watch some old movie. So this time I think I'll watch Border.
Have you watched LOC?
Border, but it makes me feel really bad, yeah. No.
Then if Border makes you feel bad, then LOC will kill you.
Really?
Question number 2. Which movie am I talking about when I say, and this is a description of the movie in English, Sanjay, a carefree young man, experiences mental and physical transformation to compete in an intercollegiate bicycle race.
Oh.
Oh my god! It's very difficult.
I think everybody's got this. All excited faces. Okay, what do you all have?
One second.
Under.
It's a long name. Yeah. Jo Jeeta Wahi Sikandar.
This was the 90s, the late 80s.
No, this is 90s.
89 movie. No, it's an 89 movie.
No, dude.
Or 88.
1992. This is 1992.
Is it?
Yeah.
With cycle race and all of
I know. The last line is a giveaway. लेकिन I said,
Yeah.
hello, it is fine. Sanjay is a carefree young man. कैसा description है इसका Wikipedia पे? Experiences mental and physical transformation both.
Sanjay is a carefree young man. I was like, is it Raja? Sanjay Kapoor? I don't know. That is like mental and physical transformation. I'm like, Sangharsh, are you talking about Ashutosh Rana? I don't know.
Before reading this, I would never have thought he went through mental transformation also. I just thought he went through physical transformation. Question number 3. Name one movie in which Sridevi played the role of the mother and the daughter.
Yeah.
Oh, I know.
Ah, oh shit.
But I don't remember the name. Let me think. I
You
know
said Sridevi in the 90s and I can immediately just think of मैं तेरी दुश्मन. Wait, उसका छोटा सा नागिन भी था क्या?
I know this movie. I really can't recollect. Anyway,
I
Okay.
remember one song. So I remember. I'm not even sure.
Okay, what do you all have?
Lamhe.
Dubai.
हमें
I wrote Judwa or Angur.
Lamhe was 80s, I think.
It is Lame.
I remember the song.
80s. Lamhe. That was Anil Kapoor, right?
1991.
Oh, Lamhe.
Yeah. This is Anil Kapoor ki movie where he's with Mooch and then without Mooch.
love this movie.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't even remember this movie.
It's such an iconic movie, and I recently watched it. I watched it like on repeat when Sridevi passed away, like one little drama queen.
Yeah.
And then it was such a good movie.
It's a very good
I
movie. Yeah.
I actually, when she passed away, I ended up trying to read all sorts of dirt on, gossip. Sorry, not dirt. Gossip on, on her and then, her whole family. And then I felt really ashamed of myself because I felt really mean. Very
No, but you
good.
didn't really have to try hard because it was all out there. People like started uchhalowing कीचड़ the moment she passed away. That she वो पी
Yeah.
के गिर गई bathtub में ये वो. She
Yeah,
was
yeah.
भयंकर.
I saw this news channel ka footage.
Arnab Goswami had a 1 hour special.
Yeah, and there was one news channel that created a 3D model of a
Yeah.
bathtub. And then the
Then
person.
there was this reporter who sat in the tub.
Listen, question number 4. Who choreographed
Yeah.
the iconic song Chaiya Chaiya from Dil Se?
Oh, God.
There are so many stories around this song ka choreography on how it
Really?
happened, why it happened on top of a train. Yeah. How Malaika Arora ended up getting the role.
Oh, this is actually. I haven't heard Chaya Chaya for so long. It's such an amazing song. What's wrong
I
with me?
know. The movie didn't do well, but the song was such a blockbuster hit.
Oh, yeah. And
The movie was quite popular, right?
yeah, it was like a.
It didn't do well commercially, I think, on the box office. I think it was one of those Mani Ratnam ka acclaimed movies, so to say, but it didn't make the money.
I think I
Yeah,
remember the dates, but I remember the wrong name with it. Like, yeah.
What do you all have?
I have Wesley Merchant. I know it's wrong.
Saroj Khan.
Yeah, even I wrote Saroj.
I wrote Farah Khan. I meant Saroj Khan. Is that fine?
What did you write, Suri?
I wrote Farah Khan, but I meant Saroj Khan. I just completely forgot her name.
Malvika, what did you write?
I wrote Saroj Khan. Saroj Khan. Sorry, I don't think you can see it, but it's Saroj Khan.
The answer is actually Farah Khan. So,
Really?
I was right.
Oh, but you said Saroj Khan. Okay, you said it out loud.
Farah Khan, and I scratched it out. You know, बहुत young थी उस time. Oh my god.
Farah Khan. I thought. But Chaya Chaya is really old, right? I didn't realize Farah Khan was also,
Farah Khan
working
got
that
her
time.
debut
First
from
choreography, I think
Jyoti
that was very-
Sikandar.
yeah.
So I
That
think
was the very
it was
first
after
song. I
that.
think.
Urta hi firu. That's her first song.
Saroj Khan was supposed to do it, but she backed out, I think, and then she got it. Something
Yeah.
like that happened.
But this Chaya Chaya was, Farah Khan. So, Suri, you unknowingly and unwantingly get the point.
Conscious guided me, right?
I know, but I don't know if I would like dispute this because he said he meant Saroj Khan but wrote Farah
My
Khan. So
subconscious was probably guiding me very well. So that
okay.
that places.
I will
Okay.
have to give him the point. Imagine if he had not made that explanation and submitted this as a paper, I would have given him the point, right? So, in all fairness. So, currently, the way the scores are, I think Ankita and Siddharth are on a tie.
Okay, that's nice. I think I'm pretty zero. No, I got one correct.
And
Okay,
Ria
awesome.
is 1 point behind. So, question number 5. How many movies did SRK appear in the 1990s? पूरे 1990s में how many movies did he do? Starting in 1992 with the movie Deewana.
My God.
Guess, need to guess.
Yeah.
Do some back of the envelope calculations on this.
How back are the envelope calculations? I think I'm going to just,
So he
make an
started,
educated-
he did 1992 mein he started. Then think about how many movies he may have done on an average every year until 1999.
Can we give a range?
Yes, yeah. At least like the closest one can.
Yeah. Try a range. Or give a number and the closest one wins anyway.
I think that's a good idea.
Just a random guess. Like 20.
23.
I said 15.
Same, I also have 15.
So the number of movies is 32. He did 32 movies in the 1990s.
What? Wow.
So the closest
That is a lot.
was, Suri, you said 23, right?
Yeah, if you reverse that, it's 32.
Yeah.
Oh
But
my
you just
god.
don't copy.
Subconscious is on fire.
So I'll hold a mirror to his answer. And anyway, because he was the closest, he should get the point. But yeah. And I
he
didn't
was-
even look at Akshay Kumar. He probably did 50 or something in the 90s. Like they were all doing so many. But the last one that he did in 1999 was Badshah.
Ah.
I like Bacha.
Yeah. Badshah was
You know, the questions.
Badshah was 99.
yeah.
It was earlier, right? Badshah was
I thought it's 2000.
after Kuch Hota Hai in all these movies.
Yeah.
Or
So
before.
no, after.
Kuch Kuch Hota Hai was 98.
Yeah. And Badshah was right after 1999. Okay, so Suri in the lead. My God, what is happening? We've got 2 questions to go. So, question number 6. Which actor played the title role of Damini in the 1993 movie with the same name?
What? Damini.
Yeah.
I'm so
Damini?
tricky.
Damini is that movie, Tariq Pe Tariq. Tariq Pe Tariq.
Oh.
About that movie.
Okay, I'll tell you, it has Sunny Deol as the actor, the male actor.
Yeah, that I know. I remember
I'm forgetting the girl's name. The female lead.
I am making a wild guess. I hope my subconscious is on point too.
Fun fact about Damini, when I was doing my prep on Karan Johar, I went very deep into the Filmfare Awards. And Sunny Deol actually got a supporting award for Damini, Best Actor in Supporting Role. And he never received that award because he thought he was, good enough for the lead. They didn't accept the supporting role award.
I'm not even trying to think. I don't even know the movie.
I'm going to give you all a hint. He was also in the movie Hero.
Which movie is Hero now?
तू
Which
मेरा जानू है, तू मेरा दिलबर. That one.
One with that tune.
I know her face. I can't remember her name. कोई first letter का hint मिल सकता है क्या?
नहीं
Initial?
तुम उसका face draw कर दो और if it matches then you get the point.
I have not written anything because I don't know anything.
Meenakshi Seshadri.
Oh, yes.
I said Shri
I have
Devi.
nothing. I couldn't recollect her name.
Okay, Maluka says Sri Devi. Okay, yeah, it is Meenakshi Shashadri. So Meenakshi Shashadri's real name was Shashikala, and she's actually from Bihar slash now Jharkhand. So that's another fun fact about her.
Interesting.
Okay, so that means that the last question is a tiebreaker also between Siddhartha and Ankita because you all are on the same score. No pressure at all. But question number 7. On whom is the movie Bandit Queen based?
Ah,
What is the price of winning the quiz?
Yeah, I know that's all.
The pride of winning the quiz is
The prize.
Validation. You get
It's
a
the-
lot of validation.
it is the pride. And if you win it against Ankita, who is the reigning champion of the last 5 quizzes, which looks like it's going to be a tie. But what do you all have?
Poolan Devi.
Poolan Devi.
Okay, so the next question, which is a tiebreaker between Siddharth and Ankita, is a movie dialogue. So that's really your tiebreaker question. Which movie is this dialogue from basically? अगर तुम मुझे यूं ही देखती रही तो तुम्हें मुझसे प्यार हो जाएगा.
अगर तुम
मुझे यूं ही देखती रही तो तुम्हें मुझसे प्यार हो जाएगा.
isn't this a very common
God.
dialogue? Every actor is like,
Yeah,
you know,
this is extremely. And what level of confidence here? Maybe she might discover he's getting a pimple. Did he think of that? No, no. I mean, it's just fine.
मुझसे प्यार हो जाएगा. I mean, I have a feeling I know the actor, but movie तो
कौन है actor?
I think it's Shah Rukh Khan.
It is Shah Rukh Khan. And I
It
think
has to be Shah Rukh Khan.
It's a very popular movie, right?
It is a very popular movie, and I'm going to tell you all it's not Shah Rukh Khan.
Ah.
So that you all can think of another line.
is it Bobby?
Sorry. Sorry. Remembered.
Did you get it?
Sorry. No, how can it not be Shah Rukh Khan? I need to brush up on my
This
90s
was my
movie
second guess.
knowledge.
Like I had a feeling it was either Shah Rukh Khan or this guy.
Who?
I hope it is this guy though.
It has to be one of the Khans.
Yeah.
They were like the kings of romance in the 90s. And now if you watch it, you're like, I'm sorry, but you know, it's really sad how some movies don't age well. Like, I freaking love DDLJ, okay? I love it. I love it. But now, I mean, I want to smack that Rahul, yaar.
Raj.
Raj, right. It's Rahul or it's Raj, right? It's either one of the two. Like, he's either Rahul or he's Raj. So when you're Raj, I want to smack him. Someone puts his head in my lap and I'm in a train. I'll pour a hot beverage on his face.
Don't say that. Why would you say that? What's wrong with you?
Okay, Raj.
If some random stranger puts his head in your lap, how will you not? How will you?
Yeah, that, yeah.
Yeah, actually, like, I mean, I actually still really like DDLJ, which is really weird, okay? Because anyone tries those stunts in real life, yeah.
They're gonna get pepper spray.
Priya, I think. Yeah, or like someone makes me miss my train, I mean, yeah.
Okay, now we have to know the answers. Ankita and Siddharth, what do you all have? Siddharth, are you ready or?
I have
Hum Dil De. Oh, hey, I was right. It is a Khan.
What did you have, Suri?
Barsat.
It is Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Salman
Shit,
Khan
man.
says this to Aishwarya Rai.
I'm telling you.
With that, Ankita has won yet another quiz. This was so close, you guys. This was like,
I know it was so much fun also.
You like with advance, or you just like, you know, a natural film buff?
The latter.
I think it's rigged, Priya. You just ask questions first, maybe.
Priya, are you open for a little bribery? Because then I can win the next quiz.
it depends on what you're sending.
a lot of love and respect.
वो सब नहीं काम करता.
I think what happened today, I saw this meme in which there's a news report where Salman Khan says that good script has always been my top priority.
Yeah, I saw that too.
Hey, thanks everyone for coming on All Things Movies. This was a great quiz. We'll do the next one on 2000s movies, and hopefully I'll see you all back. Thanks for coming. Bye.
Bye bye.